Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick that can make your email stand out. How to bold text in Gmail. Whether you're sending a quick note or a detailed email, highlighting important points can make your message clearer and more professional. First, open a new email or an existing draft. Once you're in the Compose window, type your message as usual. Now, to make any part of your text bold, just highlight the words you want to emphasize. Look at the toolbar at the bottom of the window. You'll see a little B icon. Click it and voila! Your text instantly becomes bold, making it pop in your email. If you're a fan of shortcuts, here's a faster way. On Windows, just press Ctrl plus B, and on Mac, it's Command plus B. This keyboard shortcut does exactly the same thing without needing to move your mouse. You can use it repeatedly for different sections of your email to emphasize key points. And that's it. Bolding text in Gmail is really that easy. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how your emails are read. Next time you want to make sure someone notices an important point, bold it, and your message will stand out. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, give it a try in your next email. It's quick, simple, and super effective.